very good morning, students. So here we will start the chemical properties of the carbon compounds. First is the combustion. By the word combustion, we should know that burning takes place. The process of burning of a carbon compound in air to give carbon dioxide, water, heat and light is called combustion. For burning, we need the oxygen. Without oxygen, it cannot be possible. Here they are giving the example like methane is react with the oxygen in the combustion, presence of combustion. Carbon dioxide, water, heat and light is produced. Okay, so this is the combustion of burning. Fine. Next one chemical properties we will take, that is a substitution reaction. In a substitution reaction, what will happen? Reaction of methane with chlorine. Now methane CH4 react with the chlorine in the presence of the sunlight. What will happen? It forms chloromethane or methyl chloride with a hydrogen chloride. Okay, this is a substitution reaction. Means is this, from this first of all we have to taken out the HCl and what the thing is left, that is remain here compound. That is a substitution reaction. Now next is the addition reaction. In addition reactions we are using here ethene. CH2 double bond CH2 with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst, nickel catalyst and heat, it forms CH3 single bond CH3. If there is a single bond, it means ane is used. So two carbons, methane, ethane. We are writing here ethane. Okay, hydrogenation of oil, in same way we are using C double bond C and side one RR as there plus hydrogen with the catalyst. It forms vegetable ghee with the saturated fat. Understood, students, till here? Addition reaction. Now next is, this thing is important, some important carbon compounds, that's of ethanol. Ethanol we are writing as C2H5OH. Ethanol is a homologous series. We are also writing as CH3CH2OH. CH3CH2OH. In two ways we are writing. Physical properties of ethanol is also be there. Now in this one, rectified spirit is important. If ethanol contains 5% water, it means it is rectified spirit. If it is fully 100% pure alcohol, then it can see as absolute alcohol. Chemical properties, first is combustion. C2H5OH with oxygen gives carbon dioxide, water, heat and light. This is the combustion of. Next oxidation. By the word oxidation, oxygen is presence. Then we have taken again ethanol C2H5OH. Now how I am writing here CH3CH2, but you can see carbon 2 are there, that's why it is a ethanol with the oxygen in the presence of KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7. It produces CH3COOH plus H2O. Next is reaction with sodium metal. This is a ethanol is react with the sodium to form sodium ethoxide and hydrogen. Next is dehydration. This is important one beta. Dehydration, ethanol we have taken in the presence of this 170 degrees Celsius temperature and concentrated H2SO4 we are adding. Then what the thing will form? CH2 double bond CH2 ethene plus water is formed. Next is reaction with ethonic acid. It form a ester. Ester means taste, smell, taste is very sweet one. So here ethonic acid with ethanol we have taken in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. We are saying as ethyl ethonate plus water. Okay, so this is the test of the ethanol. Next, some uses are there. These uses and harmful effects please write down in your copy by yourself. Next we are starting the acetic acid. Acetic acid, the formula is CH3COOH. Okay, acetic acid is also known as the ethonic acid. These are the physical properties of it. Chemical properties, action on the litmus means litmus pink color is changed into the blue and the blue color is changed into the pink. Now reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. First of all with carbonates, we have taken ethonic acid Na2CO3. It means it is a sodium carbonate. Then what the thing form? It form as sodium ethonate, carbon dioxide, water. Now next reaction with sodium hydrogen carbonate. In this hydrogen added. So what will happen? This is the ethonic acid, sodium hydrogen carbonate. It forms CH3COONA plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay, this is next reaction is with sodium hydroxide. Ethonic acid react with sodium hydroxide means NaOH. it forms CH3COONA, and what the thing left, water is left, water will come out. Now formation of ester with the help of the alcohol. Ethonic acid react with ethanol C2H5OH in the presence of H2SO4. It give ester. Ester means a sweet smell, tasty smell. CH3COOC2H5 gives plus water. Understood, students? So this is the chemical properties of ethonic acid and ethyl alcohol, and this thing you have to write down in your copy. By this our syllabus is finished. Okay, till carbon compounds. Next chapter we will start afterwards. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.